Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As you have seen my previous video which was about why OnePlus is the best seller in India. Yeah. So guys, it was the previous video, but now in this video I'm going to talk about what is the best technological update in 2K19 by Xiaomi, which is in the update of the Redmi Note series. So what's the update? The update is for fulfilling the demands of public. So what's the update guys? Today in this video we are going to talk about that topic. So guys, my name is Shubham, you're watching Tech Corner and let's get straight into it. So guys, what's the update? The update is that the Xiaomi has soon been launching the Redmi Note 7, which has been already launched in China. So guys, what will be the launching date you think, right? But they have not given the proper launching date, but I think it will be launching in the summer because the old series were also launched in summer. So guys, let's keep that thing aside and talk about the top 5 features of Redmi Note 7, which is about this video. So what are the Redmi Note 7 features? The first best feature update is about the camera. Xiaomi has recently updated its camera to 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, which is used for focusing and making blur effects. So as was expected, Xiaomi has used the Samsung ISO cell GM1 sensor in the camera. So guys, with the camera sensor, they have also given in the fingerprint sensor behind. So guys, the next update is they have given a front camera which is included in the camera update first. So the front camera is 10 megapixel, which is more than enough. So guys, the second update is about the display, which is 6.3 inches curved glass full HD plus resolution display. Guys, it also has a notch on the upper side for the front camera. So guys, with this we come to the fourth update, which is about the battery life. As we compared to the before, it was of 4000 mAh, and since in this also it is of 4000 mAh, but the update they have made is about the charging port. They have changed from micro USB port to the Type C port, which is the next level update from Xiaomi. And the last update, which is the fifth update, is similar. Is given in the description box. So guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till that, bye bye.